friends, welcome back. First of all, I want to wish you a happy Republic Day. Today, let's know about national symbols of India. Our national flag is called Tiranga. Our national bird is peacock. Our national flower is lotus. Our personification is Bharat Mata. Our national river is Ganga. Our national animal is Bengal tiger. National anthem is Jana Gana Mana. Our national fruit is mango. Our national tree is banyan tree. Our national song is Vande Mataram. National calendar, Saka calendar. National airline of ours is Air India. National aquatic animal is Ganges River dolphin. Our national currency is rupee. Our national reptile is king cobra. National vegetable is pumpkin. And our national animal heritage is an elephant. Once again, I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Thank you so much for watching. Jai Hind.